Wow! Congrats! Your loan application is successful. Hi guys! For today's video, I'll show you kung paano mag-loan sa GCash. Ang dali lang guys, sundan lang ang step-by-step tutorial na ito. Anyway, before ka maka-apply for G-Loan guys, make sure that you are 21 to 65 years old. Syempre, you're a Filipino citizen and a fully verified GCash user. And dapat meron ka rin good credit history. And aside from that, ay magbe-base din sila sa G-score mo. Para makita ang G-score, punta ka lang sa profile at i-click mo ang G-score. Bawal na kasing screenshot ngayon guys, kaya old sample tong pinakita ko. Okay? So nag-grab lang ako ng photo for sample purposes. Okay? Pero ano nga ba ang G-score? G-score is a score that reflects how active you are in using GCash products and features. How to increase your G-score? Number 1 is every time magka-cash in ka sa GCash ay madadagdagan ang iyong G-score. At syempre kapag nag-pay ka online para sa iyong mga online purchases at sa mga bills payment using your GCash account, so that will surely increase your G-score. So GCash for more for a higher G-score. Alright, kung eligible ka na para mag-apply for G-Loan, here's my updated and step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so punta ka na sa iyong GCash account. Syempre, enter mo muna ang iyong MPIN. Alright, so as you can see guys, is meron akong available balance. So madadagdagan yan mamaya after G-Loan. Ayan, so pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Baka kasi masyak kayo mamaya kasi bakit sobra? Okay, so para makapag-borrow na tayo ng money sa G-Loan, hanapin mo lang ang borrow at i-click ito. So this one guys. So meron ditong G-Loan, G-Gives at G-Credit. Pero since ang ating tutorial is about G-Loan, so i-click ko lang itong G-Loan. Alright, so after clicking the G-Loan, so mapupunta ka na dito at sabi dito you can borrow up to 1 million. Akala ko 1 million guys. 1,000 pala. So, depende talaga sa G-score mo. So, ang G-score ko is mga 343. Okay? So, hindi ko na mapakita kasi bawal ma-screenshot or bawal ma-screen record. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, the higher the G-score, mas malaki yung pwedeng ma-loan mo. At dito is makikita mo na ang loan details. So, payable in 5 months. Interest rate is 6.57% and processing fee is 3%. At kapag ready ka na mag-loan, ay i-click mo na ang Get Started. The good thing about G-Loan guys is 5 months to pay siya. So unlike sa ibang loan app na 1 week lang, 1 month, tapos ang lalaki pa ng interest nila, dito is hindi ka masyadong ma-stress kasi 5 months to pay. At dito sa purpose of loan guys is i-click mo itong select option. At dito is pumili ka kung ano ang purpose ng loan mo. Okay? So ang pipiliin ko guys is itong general expenses or other. So i-click ko to. Alright, so kung tapos ka na dito sa purpose of loan, so pwede mo nang i-click itong get this loan. Ayan, so ito na yung summary of your loan details guys. Okay, so sa 1,000 pesos na loan ko is 970 pesos na lang ang ma-receive kong money. And then meron akong payment na 265.70 per month. Ang interest per month is 6.57%. 30 pesos ang kailang processing fee for every 1,000 pesos guys. Then duration is 5 months. Then as you can see, November 24 pa to kasi late ko nang na-edit itong tutorial na to guys. And then, kapag okay ka na, so i-click mo na itong Continue. Ayan, so automatic nang na-fill up yung personal information ko kasi naka-loan na kasi ako dati. Pero sa mga first time mag-borrow sa G-Loan is meron ka pang fill upan para sa iyong personal information. After mo ma-fill in ang iyong personal information, ay i-click mo na itong Next. Then, after that is meron ka pang additional na fill upan. Ilagay mo yung nickname mo, yung sex, male o female, civil status, your other mobile number if meron, then landline number, optional lang. Okay, so fill upan mo lang. At dito din guys is meron silang tanong if you own a small business. So, dalawa lang naman yung option mo, yes or no. So, ilagay ko yes. At dito naman guys is pipill upan mo din itong emergency contact. Make sure you have informed this person that you listed them as your emergency contact. We will be sharing their information with Fuse Lending Incorporated. Siguro, ito yung tatawagan kapag hindi ka nakabayad. Anyway, okay, so ang gagawin kong emergency contact is yung mother ko. So, ilagay mo lang yung first name niya, middle name, last name, syempre, yung contact number niya, at anong relationship mo sa kanya. At syempre, para walang problema is dapat, kung maka-loan ka, is dapat babayaran mo ito on time. Para hindi na madamay yung taong nilagay mo sa emergency contact. Pero kasi sabi dito is dapat alam niya bago mo nilagay siya as emergency contact. Alright, so kung tapos ka na mag-fill up is i-click mo na itong next. Then dito is i-review mo na ang iyong J-Loan application. Kung may gusto kang i-edit, so i-click lamang itong edit user profile. So, i-double check mo lang para walang problema in the future. Okay, so kung tapos ka na mag-check, to proceed, pwede mong i-click itong I agree to Fuse Lending. So, pwede mong basahin yan. Then, after mo mabasa yan, is i-click mo na itong, check mo na itong box. Then, after that, click Submit. Ayan, so lalabas na naman yung loan details summary. Then, scroll down ka at may makikita ka namang dalawang box. So, dito, i-check mo lang itong dalawang box guys. I agree to Fuse Lending and I agree to transact with Fuse Lending. Okay, so pag after mo ma-check yan, so i-click mo na itong continue. At ngayon is i-click mo na itong confirm. Alright, so after clicking confirm guys, is meron kang marireceive na 6-digit authentication code galing sa GCash. Ayan, so dito ilalagay mo yung 6-digit na OTP number or authentication code. So, i-input mo lang dito guys. Ayan, so after mo ma-input is i-click mo na itong submit. Click again, submit. Ayan, so congrats! Your loan application is successful. Your loan amount will be sent to your GCash account within 24 to 48 hours. You will receive a text or an email to confirm your transaction. Wow! Successful agad yung aking loan application. So, after that, pwede mo na i-click itong okay. Diba kanina guys, before ako nag-loan is meron yung 675.90 ang aking available balance. So, ngayon naging 1,645.90 na kasi may nadagdag na 970 pesos. Which is yung amount ng G-loan ko. O diba ang dali lang? So, ang bilis na approve ng loan ko sa GCash. Kaya kung medyo short ka sa pera ngayon, is pwede mong itry mag-apply for G-loan. Pero make sure lang na you are eligible to apply for this loan. Siyempre, kung may utang ka, ay matuto ka ring magbayad. Bayaran mo on time, hindi yung bigla ka lang magka-amnesia. Well, iba to sa ibang inutangan mo kasi tatawagan ka talaga kapag hindi ka nakabayad. So, be responsible with your action. At yun lang guys ang aking tutorial kung paano mag-loan sa GCash. If you learned from this video ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching guys. God bless and enjoy life. See you next week.